What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to introduce to you this amazing product called SCyarn. It's been nicknamed the sponge knitting yarn from Seoul, South Korea. So without further ado, let's get into it. As I said before, SCyarn is based in Seoul, South Korea. We have over 100 different kinds of products, ranging from scrubby yarn, knitting needles, to knitting accessories. We've got everything that you need. One thing that our customers really love about us is that SCyarn is eco-friendly. Once you buy our product, you'll never have to buy a chemical sponge ever again. Our website offers a variety of payment methods. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and PayPal are all accepted, making it easier and more convenient for you to get your hands on our products. Once your order is complete, shipping and handling is taken care of by USPS or UPS. www.SCyarn.com is constantly striving to give you the best customer service and offer you the highest quality products there is. We hope that you love and enjoy our products as much as we do. So go online to www.SCyarn.com and get your SCyarn today.